Good day. Welcome to King William Knows Everything. Today we're going to look at this guy. This is a Wii. And apparently somebody's Wii is broken. Let's see, there's something else in here. Oh, that's a little bar. This guy has apparently been broken because it does not power on. So we're going to take a look at it and see what is wrong with this fellow. You can see it's been dropped it a few times. It's got some broken doors and stuff like that, but that's okay. These are just doors. But the no power on thing, that's where we're screwed. So I'll tell you what, let's power this on and see what happens. Hang on. Stay there. Got Mr. Power Supply here. Ooh, looks all bundled up. Nice and neat for me to try. Okay. Alright. Let's see. You get that end, and I'll plug this end over here. Stay calm. There. Okay. That's got power. Hold on, I'm getting there. No, we're not plugged in. Always plug it in. Always plug your stuff in. Get in there, jerk. Alright, now we got power. We got power. Doesn't look like it. Hang on. That may be enough power. Okay, I'm back. Alright. Plug into the power hole. I don't know. What do you think? She seems to work fine for me. Mr. Power Light's on. No disc in it. Does appear to be working fine. I think somebody's crazy. I guess this was dropped. Little children got their hands on it and dropped it. Dropped it and apparently broke it. But, let's see. Power Light. That's a mystery. So let's do this. I already have a Wii, so don't need that. But let's plug it in and see what's wrong with it. At least we'll see if it shows up on this display. As far as power, I'm going to say yes. She's a go. Maybe they don't know how to plug it in. Alright, hold on. I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, I have this pointed at Mr. TV, so let's turn this sucker on. And... power. Oh, hang on. I still got to plug it in. Why do I always have to plug things in? So many things to plug in. Oh, here's the plug. Get in the hole. Okay, she's plugged in. I plugged her in. We got a red light. Okay. I'm going to say this is going to be one of the most disappointing videos ever. So far I've done nothing. So let's put a disc in. Let me find a disc for you guys. I know we got some Wii thing. While I was looking for a disc, look what happened. She started up automatically. Let's turn down Mr. Volume. It's quite loud. Okay, I found a disc. I found, Game Party Tournament. Let's jam that in Mr. Slot. Oh, here's a remote's control. Let's see. Got it. Apparently I had to sync this controller up to this fellow. This is a different controller. Game Party 2. Start. I don't know. Looks like she's working. Unless we have a ghost. I don't think we have ghosts though. Game Party 2 for the Wii. This looks fun. Looks like it has some good games on it. Press A. Okay, I want to say it's working. One of the most disappointing videos I've ever done. You saw it. It works. Anyway, you get the idea. Have a great day.